Alright, so we just want to tell everybody we apologize. We didn't foresee the connection issues here at this house. I hope you got to see a few things tonight.
We're going to take you through on this recording. Even though it's not live, you'll still be able to see everything that's in the house. So, Jake, you lead and I'll light it.
That was the plan. Alright, so going back to here, you have where we came in is the living section. Then here is the room where there is a cat. Don't know where he came from, but this is where Lena and Ina Stillinger, the two girls who were visitors here, who were visiting their friends, staying over the night when the unforesaid happened. This is the room that they were in. This was the last the last two who were visited by the killer, and Lena Stillinger was said to have been awake because she had defensive wounds on her and was positioned crossways on the bed like the cat. Come out here, and there's the front door, and this is the kitchen area, which we were showing off in the live when we lost connection. Really cool old school stove. Got the wash tub there.
What's going on? FSM, that's the munchkin.
We couldn't do it live, so we're doing a recording to post.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We got it out on the
Well, I'm going to ruin it because I'm in here.
parallel to the kitchen. We got a little room here. Not much going on. There's some candles and mason jars. But this right here, check this out. I mean, look at the space here. 90 degree up, then another 90 degree. And as you go up, we come into a second bedroom. This would have been where the 4 children who lived here, which would be, no, this is master bedroom. This is J.B. Moore and Miss J.B. Moore. This was where supposedly the soul taking happened. Supposedly around in this area was where the axe made it through the ceiling and they had to repatch it. Oh, there's another. Okay, maybe that. Maybe like this. Maybe. I don't know if they would have left it, but regardless, this is the event was supposed to have started. He then would have moved into this room, which was where the 4 kids that lived here were. There might be some names here. Here we go. Oh, Jesus, they're not attached. So, yeah, Boyd Moore, Paul Moore, 7 and 5. Herman Moore, age 11, the oldest, and then Catherine Moore at age 10. Sad, sad, sad. We got some a remodel of what it might have looked like. Oh man, one of these. Oh man, he might actually play. We'll have to test that out. So this next part though was the one that creeped me out and Jason when we went in there. And so there's the attic. The attic is where the killer was supposedly waiting on everybody to go to sleep. This is where he would have, him or her or whoever them would have. There is a crawl space here with a little Harry Potter door. And check out what is in here. Holy moly. So we got a little meeting here going on. Yeah, not creepy at all. No siree. What is on the note? I sincerely apologize for taking your picture without permission. It's been brought to my attention that it was inconsiderate, and I ask for your forgiveness. I've learned a valuable lesson because of this, and I will always be more polite. Again, I did not intend to take part of your soul. Shelly K. For the Viscala doll. Holy moly. So I guess people who have maybe come here and taken pictures and then come upon hard times, or maybe, I don't know, they've come by and dropped notes back off to, I'm very sorry for taking a picture of you. I did not know I could not take a picture. Oh my goodness. Everybody's asking for forgiveness for taking pictures. There's a picture of the doll. I don't know how I feel about all that, brother.
Well, it's you videoing it, not me.
Oh my God. Well, we apologize too. We paid to be here. We love you very much, and we're going to be here all night. We're going to ask you some questions. We got to check this out. You got $1, Jason?
No, I'm broke.
I need to put $1 up here with our team name. Well, if there's dollars,
That's probably how people paid their way out of the curse.
right? If you are cursed from taking pictures of the dolls, and you leave $1, or is it leave $1, take $1?
I think it's just take all the dollars.
That's not gonna happen. That was a joke. Okay, so this is us trying to make good on the live promise. This place has a connection issues everywhere. So thank you guys all for tuning in, and we're gonna get some cool stuff and we're gonna put it on YouTube.
That's right.
Thank you guys for being here. We're gonna post this as soon as we can, like now.
Hopefully.
Love you guys.